In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bank account in Xero. Before we jump into the clicks, a quick heads up. Deleting a bank account in Xero is a permanent change to your chart of accounts. Make sure this is really what you want to do. Ideally, the account should already be reconciled and no longer in active use. If you're unsure, you might want to check with your bookkeeper or accountant first. Let's get started inside Xero. Once you're logged into your organization, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. You'll see several tabs across the top. Find the tab labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on Accounting. This is where Xero keeps most of the tools related to your general ledger and financial setup. After you click Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. From that list, look for the option called Chart of Accounts. This is the area where all of your accounts live, including income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and of course, your bank accounts. Click on Chart of Accounts to open that page. On the Chart of Accounts screen, you'll see a table listing all your accounts. It may be quite long, depending on how your Xero organization is set up. To make things easier, you can scan down the account type column to find accounts labeled as bank, or use any available filters or search tools on the page to narrow down to just bank accounts. Once you've located the bank account you want to remove, take a moment to double check that it's the correct one. Look at the account name and the account code to be sure you're not selecting an active or important account by mistake. When you're confident you've found the right bank account, click on that specific account line so it's selected. Now you're ready to delete it. On the same row as the bank account you selected, or sometimes in an options column on the right side, you'll see an option labeled Delete. Click on Delete. Xero will usually ask you to confirm this action, especially if there are any transactions or history associated with the account. If a confirmation message appears, read it carefully. When you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. Once that's done, the bank account will be removed from your chart of accounts and will no longer show up in your list. And that's all you need to do to delete a bank account in Xero.